Time for another one, boys. We got going on, Chaz?
Yeah.
We got this crazy little redneck over here. We got Ill Will right here, boy. What you riding, bro? We got Mr. Christopher Wallace. Yes, sir. All right, we're rolling deep today, boys. This is what we got going on. I'm gonna show you. All right. Anyway, look at this. The broski got an 89 Warrior. This is the year I was born. That's an old motherfucker right there. We got a 300 EX, 4 tracks. We got a 2001 Warrior. We are stacked, boys. And of course, we got the DVX 400. 400. Yeah. We're going deep. What's going on? What are we doing, boys? We're rolling deep today.
We going riding.
Yes, sir.
Let's get it.
We got an old train station at the Bandon. I don't know if it's 1800. I don't know what it is. We're going up in it. We got aqueduct. We got all kinds of crazy stuff going down. You guys are gonna like it. All right, what are we doing, boys?
We on loaded, baby. Get ready to go riding.
Yo, what we got? What kind of hoopties we rolling with, guys?
That shit is mean.
What's up? What's up?
Test out them
Little 300 Honda. Little 300 Honda. He said the Warrior ain't got shit on me, boy. Oh shit.
Come on.
We're crossing, boys. We gotta cross the tracks, baby.
I got you. Hold up.
Yeah. You ready? We're good.
I can't shut that shit off now, you heard?
All right.
Come up forward. Move up. There you go. There you go.
I don't even know. MTA? Dude, it's like 1700, 1800s. All right, guys, let me give you a tour. Let's get it. Somebody else want to hold the camera while I give the tour? We're going to go up on the roof. Who wants to hold the helmet? Here we go, baby.
Come on.
We can go both ways. Let's go. Come on. Just keep careful. You don't fall through a hole. Watch your footing. If you hear quads.
Sorry about the view, guys. You know, he's climbing up hills. We got cracked hills over here.
Check it out. So come this way. Let's go, baby. This is crazy. Check there. Look at this. Look how big it is. Show them how big it is.
Look at this, guys.
Over here, the upper part.
Yup.
Listen, over here in this room right here, when you dislike the video, your bones will be discovered there 2 years later. No, check it out. COVID. What?
COVID, 2K.
Baby. Get it, baby.
2020, COVID-19.
That's what black lights are.
Yeah. We up here. We up here.
Alright. Look at this. Yo, that's a real leather coat. Look at this. Look at this. Check this out, guys. COVID, 2K20. This is crazy.
Right?
Oh, nah.
A little lighter. It still works.
Shit. Oh shit. Yo, get this on camera. What is this? Whoa. Chill, bro.
Somebody's camping out here. Yeah.
It's a torch. It's a handmade torch. You can see it's burnt.
Yeah. Hold on. Quiet. We're good. Check your trailers. What the fuck is that?
Put a light bulb up, see if it works. It's a tent.
Listen to the chair.
Something's tenting out back here.
Yo.
Is that peanut butter? Is that what that?
Yo, this is crazy. Yo, what are you doing? Crack kills, bro. Dude, this is crazy. Look at this. Yo, this is crazy. Let's go show them the roof. Let's go, boys. All right, listen. I still have it on my helmet because I'm all muddy. Yo, are you guys ready for the roof, baby? If they die, it ain't on me. I didn't call this shit. Here we go. Oh my God, bro. Here we go. Here we go, baby. It was all a dream. I'ma fall through the motherfucking seams. Here we go. Yo, I haven't been up here in about 15 years. My fat ass, I gained weight, COVID, I guarantee it might collapse. We're up here, boys. Check it out, come on. Come on, come up, come up, come up. Don't be scared, I'm gonna show you the reservoir. Come on, come on. Come on, baby.
You can hold the wall.
No balls racing. Yo.
I seen your no balls when you went through the building.
Yo, you guys missed it. I almost backflipped. I didn't get it on camera.
Watch, dude, cause there's holes.
Come on.
Yo, there's a swamp, look.
Yeah, don't be scared. Come on, Chaz. What you puffing on, bro? Cigarettes? Cool. All right. Yo, hold this, Ryan. Hold this for me. Follow me, bro. Let's go.
Right? Well, his ass he's like
Do not get that on camera. Oh, don't get this one either. Chris, come take a look at the reservoir. This is on camera. Check this out.
That's the shit we're rocking in. That's the black nasty shit that's all over your boy.
When it comes to New York,
Mud pits and salt.
Go ahead. Get it. Woo! Yo, he got it. Fuck that, we're chilling. This is crazy deep. Good luck. Good luck, baby. Woo.
gonna get some of it at least.
Okay. You got it, baby. Let's go. Woo! Grab my camera! Ryan! Ryan! Hey! Grab it, grab it! We're going in, big bud! Oh, shit! Damn. Oh, that's my neutral. Oh my God! No, hold on. I see